Hey guys, it's Justin James. Also, you can find me on social media as IronJMoto, and I'm excited to be talking about the Viking Patriot Throw Over Saddlebags. Install was super easy. There are 2 bolts on each side of the fender struts. All you have to do is take the bolts out, and then the supplied brackets that they give you, just put it in between the fender and the fender strut. I am really happy with the material that this bag is made out of. It is seriously high quality, and it definitely seems durable for the weather, especially with the way I ride. Starting with the outside of the bag, there is a pocket on the outside. So go ahead and unzip it, and it does have a nice Hi-Viz red material on the inside. You have the material that goes over the top zipper, so it does protect it and keeps it nice and clean. But if you want to open up the top, go ahead and flip up the material, and that gives you access to the zipper. Go ahead and unzip them. And then when you open it, it looks amazing. You have this high-vis red material on the inside and a ton of room to fit a lot of stuff. It's really nice that it actually comes with these little pockets here on the inside. It does also come with a detachable organizer that's inside of the bag. So if you unvelcro these, there is a detachable organizer that is amazing. Easy enough to just go ahead, close the bag, zip it up, and then flip the top right back over for that clean look. Another awesome feature is that it actually comes with all this webbing, so you can attach additional gear on the outside. These are gonna come in handy for all sorts of things, whether you're on the road, you're camping, or anything. Like, you really wanna hold all that additional gear. All of this webbing will help you do so. Not only is it easy to mount and put on your bike, it's easy to take them right off. Go ahead and take your seat off and take them right off. I mean, really, the only thing holding these together onto the mounts is just another Velcro piece that's on the back side of this bag. So like I said, easy to take them off if you don't need them for a while. Go ahead and take your seat off, and then unvelcro the straps that mount it to the brackets and take it right off. All in all, this is a really sharp bag. I really love it. It's got the style because it looks really good. It's functional for all sorts of things, and I'm really excited to have it on my 2019 Softail Street Bob. Thanks again to VikingBags for working with me on getting me these, and I'm really looking forward to putting these through its paces and having these on my bike.